Hi everyone, welcome back again to my channel. I hope you all are doing perfectly fine. Today I want to share with you how you can marinate chicken for good flavors. Today's recipe is so easy and the outcome is going to be so amazing. You are going to fall in love with this recipe. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for? Kindly do subscribe and be part of this beautiful family. Let's get started. For this recipe, obviously I'm going to be needing my chicken, and I'm using the leg part of the chicken, or you can also call it drumsticks. Okay, so I've washed this drumsticks with some water, vinegar, salt and lime, so it is looking all fresh and very clean. Next to seasoning this chicken, I'll go in with some oyster sauce. You can also add in dark soya sauce if that is what you have. Okay, next I'll go in with some ketchup, and don't worry, I'm going to list everything I use in the description box for you to check it out. Moving forward, I'll also go in with some natural vinegar, which is going to elevate the taste of this chicken as well. Okay, I'll also go in with some garlic paste, ginger paste, turmeric powder. I'll also go in with some Kebab soya spice. I have the recipe on my channel. I'll leave the video link in the description box for you to check it out. Next, I'll go in with some natural seasoning, which consists of dry rosemary, coriander seed and fennel seed. I'll also go in with about 1 tablespoon of sugar, which will help the frying process or the chicken become very crispy when I'm about to fry it. Okay, that's why I'm adding in the sugar. I'll also go in with salt to taste. Now for the last ingredients, I'm also going to add in some chicken seasoning, of course. Mix it all together nicely, just the way I'm doing it on your screens. You can also wear gloves if that is what you prefer. Okay, mix it very well for the ingredients to really enter this chicken very well, because we really want to feel every bite of it. And at this point, the scent was everywhere. This chicken was smelling so good, and the taste after frying this chicken, it was amazing. I hope you try these ingredients I use to marinate my chicken, and you are not going to be disappointed at all. If you want to fry chicken for parties, or you're making some get-together, you want to wow your visitors, then these ingredients I used in marinating my chicken is best for you. Now, after marinating the chicken like this, I'll keep this in my refrigerator for about 4 to 6 hours. You can also keep it overnight, and it's going to really taste good after frying it. Okay, now I'll cover it with some cling film to also help protect the strong smell that will come out from it in my refrigerator. Okay, so after 4 to 6 hours after you are done refrigerating it, you can fry it and you are good to go. Thank you so much for watching this video to this point, and if you enjoyed to this point, that means you are a proud foodie member. Kindly subscribe to my channel for new videos every single week. Bye.